third leg of our journey brought us across the state of Wisconsin, from Sturgeon Falls to La Crosse, and no Wisconsin story can start off without a good bag of cheese. We've managed to locate some really budget-friendly campsites en route. They usually run in small towns, along the countryside, really nice places. They usually only cost about $10 a night, sometimes they're even free. And there's usually some other campers there, and we get to talk, and they tell us a lot of cool stuff about the area they came from, which is usually the places we're headed. The highlight of Wisconsin for me is really found at either end, and at the west end is La Crosse. What seemed like a straight vertical drive was no sweat for Izzy, but I was sweating the whole time. But when we finally got up there, it was a gorgeous sight from the top of Grandad Bluff. Took the drone out, flew around a bit. It was a little windy, but it was super cool. And at the bottom we caught a glimpse of the world's biggest six-pack before crossing over the mighty Mississippi River. Wisconsin came in like a lion and went out like a lamb, but that's cool. We got plenty more to see on this trip. We're just getting started. See you next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed leg 3 of our trip. If you want more, check out our blog at lifeenroute.com. And as always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.